Forever Bloom foundation finally came in today. And I'm just gonna show you how I'm probably gonna use it. This is the packaging. So pretty. I'm just gonna show you guys up close first. Putting a little bit on my finger. I wanted to show you how well it covers up. So as you can see, I have a little like red in there. And it's not red anymore. I'm gonna show you one more before I just like put it all over my face. Under my eyes, because my eyes get really dark. The difference, it's so nice. Now I'm just gonna put it on the rest of my face. So I just took it off my lips and my eyebrows with the makeup wipe. And I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to like kind of blend everything. In case you miss a spot, like I just like to blend it all in. So I'm just applying the powder just all over my face, and it just sets everything in a really nice way. I curled my eyelashes, combed my eyebrows out, put a little blush on. You could add highlight, anything you usually do, but this is just really natural. So obviously you could take this foundation either more glam or more natural. You guys can also now use my code Julia50 for 50% off. It comes in 3 different spectrums: light, medium, which is this, and dark. So you guys should really try it out.